Complementary therapies can be used across multiple vocations, with therapies used in both salon environments and palliative care to improve well-being. Whether you're looking for a career in spa-based beauty therapies or a focus on healthcare, Coleg Gwent is a fantastic choice. The main areas of study include massage, reflexology and aromatherapy, with a mixture of theory and practical learning sessions. Our courses cover anatomy, physiology and pathologies to underpin your knowledge and adapt techniques to deliver the desired effect for clients or patients. You can also look forward to a mixture of enrichment activities, including guest speakers and off-campus trips to prepare you for setting up and running your own business. You'll have the opportunity to provide clinic sessions with clients on a weekly basis, giving you exposure to a commercial environment whilst fully supported by your supervisor. Once you've completed your complementary therapy course, you'll have a wide range of career paths ahead of you, with practitioners working in health spas, beauty salons, physiotherapy and chiropractic clinics, hospices and many more. To find out more about our complementary therapy courses, visit our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.